Yes. Wako pale mbele.
Let's go back. Group photo here. Severin. Uno. Okay, remember back. DJ, keep the kazi. Make sure you pull that side right. Huyu anaenda, anaora. Very good, thank you very much darling. Na huyu pia anaenda. Anabaki ama anaora? Anabaki ama anaora? Na mrembo hapa? Anabaki ama anaenda? All right. Fold your socks. Na hakikisha umekunja vizuri. Na smile kidogo. Is it the boy or the girl? Let's give the boy a very big round of applause. Please come over here. Do we have anything for the two? In the meantime, we have a presentation, very special presentation from JDs. Are you ready for JDs? Yes. Yes. After this, may I
Attendance. This is very good and very commendable. Our exercises, just for information, we do the beach clean every 2 weeks. The next one will be after a week or so. And just to emphasize on the marine, on the wild ocean, this is a home body. We need to preserve it and generate an about life.
Member from 7 Seals, I'm the security manager, and before I continue, I'd like to congratulate our kids. They have done an amazing job today. Despite the rain, they have been moving up and down, picking the transfers. Today we are not celebrating just only 2 minutes for the team. Today we are not celebrating this day of World Ocean Day. We are reflecting it. We are reflecting it how our activities has brought a lot of stress to the sea. If I'll take you a little bit back, as the Toro shall say, Peter, that the sea has employed millions.
So even in schools, for parents, angalia ni nini unaweza fanya, yenye unaweza reuse, yenye unaweza recycle, to create something that can be used by someone else. So, and also, maybe I can speak on behalf of the Blue Heart Maji, offering refillable models, one refill at a time. If you refill maji, you're beating the plastic. Hizo plastic zinaenda kwa ocean zetu. So every time unabeba maji pale kwa chupa yako ukienda shule ama ukienda event mahali, jua you're sacrificing and you're making a difference to our planet. A beautiful planet is a responsibility ya sisi wote. So let's continue serving the environment.
Responsibility to ensure our beaches and our oceans are clean. Are we together? So without much without much talk, I would like to welcome one of our main sponsors to come and talk to us. Safaricom Hook, tafadhali. Makofi mazuri ni kwa ajili ya Safaricom. Eric and the rest, please welcome. Tafadhalini.
Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Kwa majina, Teresia Njihia. I work with Safaricom. I'm in charge of this area as a territory manager. But today, in charge of Safaricom Hook, we are here with our team here. Maybe they can just come here and wave. I know we had some, but walikuwa narudi Nairobi and they had a flight in the afternoon, so they had to leave. So this is the team that is here today, and from our end, we are quite humbled to be here. I remember when I came in the morning and the rains were so heavy.
Boys Secondary School. Thank you. There's somebody who's a very good girls and boys. Don't join to everybody. Kuna wengine ambaye ni wabaya, kazi yao ni drugs. Kindly avoid drugs. Drugs are killers. In fact, today we are suffering due to drugs in our society. Kuna walevi, kuna vijana wabaya.